Good morning, tutor and classmates. My name is Duan Ferney Toro Cruz. I live in Pitalito, Huila, Colombia, Venecia neighborhoods. I am studying economics at the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. I am going to talk about what I plan to do on my next vacations. On my next vacations, I will go to Cali with my family and I will really enjoy it because I don't not spend free time. I am going to start be visited my cousin and they will go to the water park and meet the rest of my wife's family there. I will go the soccer field and have fun. I am going with a swim suit to swim in the pool and a volleyball ball. I am going to visit a lot of places. I am sure. Thanks. Bye bye.